Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating the skeleton. Sign into Google and Open Forms, click the plus to start a new form. Give the form a clear title and short description so customers know what to expect. Make sure you toggle on Collect Email Addresses. This enables confirmations. Next, add required fields. Name and email first, then an order type question. Use multiple choice or checkboxes for item selection, and add a quantity field as a short answer with response validation to accept numbers only. Once the basics exist, focus on the complex middle steps. Add each product as a question option and include price and short description. You can attach images for clarity. For variants, use drop-downs or a checkbox grid to keep the interface tidy. Then create sections, one per product family, and use Go to Section based on answer to show only relevant follow-up questions. For quantity fields, enable response validation so users enter integers. If you need calculated totals, plan to connect responses to sheets or an add-on. Finish by configuring settings. Write a clear confirmation message and turn on response receipts so customers get an email summary. If you require payment, add a final section with payment instructions and a link to your processor. Forms doesn't natively charge. Share the form with appropriate permissions and set collect emails and response restrictions as required. Test the entire flow end-to-end. Troubleshooting tip. If responses aren't saving, make sure the form owner's Google Drive isn't full, check sharing permissions, and retest in an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.